Hey guys, in this video, can I show you a different way to do your Integra JDM conversion? No need to cut the radiator support in half. And if your USDM radiator support is in good shape, you don't need to replace the whole cord support. So let me show you what I'm going to do in this video. If you look at the USDM and the JDM core support, it is almost identical. The only difference is the top piece along with the center support piece and 4 brackets total for the JDM headlights. What I'm showing you here on this USDM radiator support are how many weld spots I had to take off. By the way, the reason why it looks like this hack mess is because this radiator support was repaired at one time before, and I had to do extra work to get the messy welds out. The USDM top radiator support has 2 layers of metal. One I needed to get through, where the JDM radiator support only has 1 layer. So this is how many weld spots I had to get out on the USDM radiator support.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, for the underside, this top bracket has to come off, that weld that holds that bracket. And so with drilling those out,
the top should just come right off.
Here's the driver's side, left side radiator support half that I wanted to show you how identical it is. So the black one is the USDM one and the silver one is the JDM one. So for the JDM lights, the bracket that came off of the JDM one, there's 2 spot welds here that I had to drill out, and that's gonna go here. And this bracket that held the headlight in, one of the headlight brackets, I had to drill out 4 spot welds, and that is going to go right here.
I have a question. This sensor came with this JDM front end. It was located under the bumper. If you know what this is, comment below and let me know what you think this is.
Here I'm going to show you how many weld spots you need to take off your JDM top radiator support that you're going to weld onto your USDM radiator support. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and depending, you might take a little bit off right here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And on the other side, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 right there. So there's going to be a total of 16 weld spots you need to take off.
Here is the JDM front cutoff. All I'm doing here is I'm tracing the cutout pattern onto a piece of paper, and I'm cutting the USDM Integra to match the JDM so that the JDM headlights would fit. Here I was lucky enough to get radiator support measurements off a real right-hand drive Integra Type R. I will be able to use these measurements for the JDM conversion before we weld it up.
Yeah, got my buddy Hector here. He's gonna weld up the JDM front end. What's up, Hector? Thanks for showing up, bro.
No problem, man. No problem. This one need to be.
All right, so you need me to grind down some stuff, right?
Yeah, let's go ahead and clean up some of the holes.
All right.
And then kind of like you did here. And then
Okay.
better hold it up. We'll get a fitment on it. See where we need to be, and we'll do that.
Cool, cool.
There you go. Yeah, cool.
Here I'm measuring up the radiator support with the measurements we got from the actual Type R, making sure everything lines up before we weld it together.
Check it. Just in case. You know what I mean?
I don't know what to look for. Man, that looks good to me.
No, I mean like the measuring again.
Oh, the measuring? Okay. All right, Hector just left. We just got done mocking up these headlights, welded in the brackets. Now all we gotta do is clean it up, get it ready for paint.
Alright guys, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to comment and share this video.